Properly tightened compression nuts and rings prevent water supply lines from leaking or bursting under pressure. When installing a toilet water supply line, start by sliding the compression nut onto the pipe with the tapered side facing the fixture, and then slide the compression ring next, ensuring the ring sits squarely and is not deformed. Hand tighten the compression nut until it stops, then use an adjustable wrench to turn it a quarter to a half turn more. Over-tightening can crush the ring, and under-tightening lets water seep. If you are using a copper ring, make sure the pipe end is clean, deburred, and cut square so the ring can seat and flare slightly as the nut compresses it. For soft copper or plastic tubing, hold the pipe steady while you tighten to avoid twisting the connection. After tightening, slowly open the shutoff valve to pressurize the line and operate the valve on and off to cycle pressure. Watch the nut, ring area, and the joint for any sign of weeping. If you see a steady drip, tighten a small additional amount with the wrench and recheck, replacing the ring if the leak persists. The most common problem is under-tightening, which causes a slow drip. Fix this by hand tightening first and finishing with a wrench for a snug fit without deforming the ring. Another frequent issue is over-tightening that deforms or cuts the compression ring and pipe, which leads to leaks or future failure. If that happens, replace the ring and reassemble with a lighter final wrench turn. A third concern is improper pipe preparation, where burrs or angled cuts prevent a proper seal. Correct this by cutting square, removing burrs with a deburring tool or file, and ensuring the ring sits flush before tightening. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate trusted local contractors for jobs like toilet, supply line work, and to help contractors find steady work. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople exchange tips, product experiences, and troubleshooting advice.